So we're here today, we're doing a charity install with Grant. It's a fire damaged house. Grant, do you want to tell us a little bit about what's going on here?
Yeah, of course. So we're doing a charity installation here for a fire damaged property. This chap Chris unfortunately came home to his house on fire after being taken out by his friends who were there to cheer him up. So yeah, let's go and take a look.
So loads and loads of people's turned up here today, so we're just going to go inside, we'll have a look, and Grant's wants to thank a few people. Yeah, I think some people might know him. Yeah. Where's them uni lights? Have you got some uni lights somewhere?
Yeah, which one, Al?
So come on in, let's have a look. Right, done. So we've got new gas line running. Lawton Tubes have very, very kindly supplied us with everything that we need for this. So thank you for that. Stelrad have supplied us with all the radiators that we need. Done a heat loss calculation so that the property has exactly the needs for low temperature heating.
Low temperature, 55 degrees?
That's right, absolutely. And then, this is Martin.
Hi Martin.
Hello.
You alright?
Yeah. We've got IMI Calypso valves, auto balancing valves that have been supplied correctly.
So it's a proper job then, eh?
Absolutely, 100%.
So we've got 2 radiators in here.
Yeah. There's a 2.5 kilowatt heat loss for this room, so that's why we need that to run at low temperature.
It's a bit busy in this boiler room.
Yeah.
Shall we go and have a look in there?
Yes, absolutely.
So it's a bit busy in here. Lots of cups of tea, look, and coffee from AirTag.
And we've got the boiler on the go over there.
Richard there.
Yeah.
Rich, how we doing? What are you doing? Where's Dan?
He's
Dan Heidi.
He's down there grafting. Is the lad, bless him.
Dan! Say hello!
We've got Brian here. Brian is a multi-panel brand ambassador. He's excuse me.
He just keeps getting, look.
Yeah. Brian's very kindly come up to help fit the multi-panel for the shower.
Should we have a look? Should we go and have a look?
Absolutely, yeah.
Tell us about it.
Yeah.
So what's going on in here then?
So this is the area, new shower tray. I've built a stud wall, plaster board in it.
So that's been donated by Coram, and we've got the shower that's been donated by Robbie. So a lot of installers have brought their own stuff and donated. Even our own Alan Hart has donated the toilet, which
City Plumbing donated the toilet actually.
Yeah,
City Plumbing.
Yeah. And
Hog in a box.
And it's all been filled with our Thomas Dudley donations as well. And then Stuart from ATAG has also donated the tap for the basin.
And of course there's the multi-panel that's been donated by multi-panel themselves throughout Westfield.
So absolutely amazing, really. Without all these manufacturers being so generous, this wouldn't have happened.
Let's have another look, go around here then, see what else is going on. It's very busy.
Right, so we've got another radiator in this bedroom. TRVs. And then through the manager step, please. We've got
all in copper, all press fit as well.
all supplied by Lawton, and then the press fit's been supplied by Plumbing for Less. So massive thank you to them.
See, these are really busy on the phones in here.
Get the right angle, and then this radiator up here. So all massive, generous donations, and I just want to extend my thanks.
You're allowed to take photos and videos before we started.
Absolutely, 100%. So there it is.
So that's AirTag boiler.
Economizer 20. Right, so this is the Economizer 27, and that's got an inbuilt heat recovery system. So super efficient on hot water. Absolutely perfect for this property.
This is the Pro 2 from AD that they kindly donated for us. Help protect this system from any corrosion in the future, along with the chemicals that they supplied in the pack.
Absolutely amazing. How all these people from social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, loads and loads of amazing people coming together to help somebody in need, and Grant is a special guy, yeah, who's organised all this. So yeah, it's really good stuff. Thank you to all the people that supported it all. You alright, Rich? Waving?